And a warm welcome back to our financial channel. Today, we have an especially riveting topic for you, delving into the realm of mastering investment. If you're one who possesses an interest in finance but finds themselves uncertain where to commence, you're in precisely the right place. Before we commence, do remember to subscribe to our channel to ensure you don't miss out on any further financial insights. Embarking upon the world of investment may initially appear daunting, but fret not. Today, we bring forth some invaluable tips tailored for novices. Our first tip: establish clear and concise financial goals for yourself. Whether it pertains to establishing an emergency fund, acquiring a property, or planning for retirement, defining your objectives distinctly is pivotal in formulating a suitable investment strategy. Invest time into enhancing your financial literacy. Grasp the fundamentals of investment, acquaint yourself with various asset classes and instruments to make well-informed decisions. Diversify your investments. Spread your capital across various asset classes to mitigate risk. A well-thought-out diversification strategy can assist in balancing fluctuations within your portfolio. Following our discussion on commencing the investment journey and making informed decisions, let's delve into the diverse investment classes and strategies. Here's how you can gain an overview and select the optimal strategy for you. There exist various investment classes such as equities, bonds, real estate, and cryptocurrencies. Each possesses its own merits and demerits. Let us delve into comprehending their functionalities collectively. Choose an investment strategy aligned with your objectives and risk profile. Reflect upon whether you prefer long-term investments, seek short-term gains, or favor a balanced approach. Now that we comprehend how to commence and make prudent decisions concerning investments, let's explore some common mistakes and pitfalls beginners should avoid. A frequent mistake is the hasty selection of brokerages and ETFs. Pay heed to understanding the associated fees and opt for products aligning with your investment objectives. Guard against succumbing to loss aversion. Losses are inherent in investing, but refrain from allowing short-term fluctuations to influence you. Maintain composure and think long-term. Overconsumption of financial news may lead to impulsive decisions. Stay abreast of developments, yet exercise caution against overreact. That wraps up our session for today. I trust these tips and insights aid you in attaining your financial objectives. Should you have any queries or wish to propose topics for future videos, please do leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you found the video beneficial. Until next time, stay financially astute. Many thanks for tuning in. You can also find us on social media. Until next time, and may your investment endeavors be prosperous.